Shalom, my friend. Welcome to the Jewish Code of Wealth, where we reveal the hidden spiritual and energetic laws that quietly separate those who stay stuck from those who build real, lasting abundance. You grind day and night, but the money still leaks away. Look at your woman. If she feels anxiety or resentment, your finances get blocked on an invisible level. Today, a simple 30-day protocol that changes the atmosphere at home and opens the flow. You work 18 hours a day, push through exhaustion that drains most people to the bone, read every book on strategy and marketing you can find, sacrifice weekends, family time and sleep without complaint. Yet the bank account stays frustratingly stuck in the same place month after month, year after year. You close one good deal and feel the momentum building, the breakthrough finally arriving, only for an unexpected expense to wipe it out completely and leave you back at square one. You hit a new revenue high, and then watch clients back out suddenly, payments delay for no apparent reason, or some emergency swallow the profit you just earned with so much effort. It feels like running on a treadmill at full speed. Endless effort, sweat, focus, sacrifice, relentless grind, but no real distance covered, no lasting progress, no sense of moving forward toward the life you envision and deserve. The harder you grind, the more it seems the money slips through invisible cracks you can't find or fix no matter how hard you try, no matter how many new funnels you build, or how many leads you chase. Deep down you sense the problem isn't just tactics, competition, the economy, or your own execution. It's something closer, something intimate, something in your home that you can't quite name but feel every single day when you walk through the door exhausted. If the woman you share your life with carries anxiety, resentment, unspoken hurt, constant worry about the future, or emotional disconnection, your financial flow gets blocked on an energetic level you can't see, but can definitely feel in your gut, in your restless sleep, in your drained motivation, and in your results that never quite compound the way they should. If this resonates with you even a little, if you feel that quiet frustration of working so hard, yet seeing the money disappear or stagnate, hit that like button right now to affirm you're ready for the change. It helps this message reach other men who are in the same silent struggle, grinding but not growing. And subscribe with notifications on. The next videos will reveal exactly how to turn this around step by step, ritual by ritual. We're in this together, and the shift starts today. Let's keep going. In spiritual and energetic terms, your woman is the vessel, the sacred container that receives, holds, nurtures, and multiplies the light, effort, value, and abundance you generate through your work, vision, risks, and daily action in the world. When that vessel is cracked by chronic tension, mistrust, unhealed pain, fear of instability, or constant emotional friction, everything you pour in leaks out before it can accumulate, compound, or turn into lasting wealth and security for your family. Her emotional state isn't separate from your finances. It's the very foundation they stand on, the soil where your seeds of abundance either take root deeply and grow, or wither and die before they can produce fruit. If she feels insecure about money, undervalued in the relationship, disconnected from your vision, or burdened by unspoken resentment toward your long hours and stress, the energy you bring home gets distorted immediately. Opportunities dry up unexpectedly. Unexpected costs appear out of nowhere. Deals stall at the finish line. Money flows in, but never stays long enough to build real security or freedom. Ancient teachings across many traditions have always known this profound truth. Harmony in the primary relationship is the hidden multiplier of abundance and the strongest protection against constant loss and leakage. When she feels truly safe, honored, seen, cherished, and emotionally secure with you, the vessel becomes whole and strong, and what you bring in doesn't just stay, it grows exponentially, attracts more, repels leaks, and creates a compounding cycle of flow that feels almost effortless compared to the grind before. Tension at home isn't just personal or relationship stuff. It's the silent thief that quietly sabotages your breakthroughs before they can fully land and take hold in your life, turning potential wealth into constant struggle. Look at the patterns most men ignore until the damage is obvious, painful, and repeated for too long. She asks about money with worry, doubt, or subtle fear in her voice more often than excitement, trust, or shared anticipation. Small financial hiccups, a delayed payment, a higher than expected bill, a temporary dip in cash flow, trigger disproportionate stress, criticism, emotional distance, or quiet withdrawal from her. Conversations about the future feel heavy and guarded, filled with endless what-ifs, worst-case scenarios, and subtle fear, instead of shared dreams, possibility, and mutual support. Intimacy fades slowly, or becomes mechanical and routine because unspoken resentment or insecurity builds invisible walls between you day by day. She withdraws emotionally, or becomes critical when you talk about big goals and ambitions, not out of malice, but because her own fear of instability, change, or abandonment gets activated in those moments. If she feels insecure about money, undervalued in the relationship, disconnected from your vision, or burdened by unspoken resentment toward your long hours and stress, the energy you bring home gets distorted immediately. Opportunities dry up unexpectedly. Unexpected costs appear out of nowhere. Deals stall at the finish line. Money flows in, but never stays long enough to build real security or freedom. These aren't character flaws or signs she's the problem. They are clear, honest symptoms of a vessel under constant pressure, unable to hold the energy you're bringing without spilling it or distorting it. When the woman in your life carries chronic anxiety, unprocessed hurt, or a deep sense of emotional unsafety, your financial energy gets short-circuited on a subtle but extremely powerful level. The money comes in waves, but it doesn't stick or compound. Deals almost close, then mysteriously fall apart at the last second. Income spikes, then unexpected emergencies eat it alive before you can breathe. The root isn't always external forces or bad luck. Often it's the unseen tension at home quietly sabotaging the flow you work so hard to create every single day. Think of your relationship as a complete energetic circuit with two essential, interdependent poles that must work in harmony for the current to flow powerfully. You are the generator, creating value, taking risks, channeling action, focus, vision, and effort into tangible results in the world outside. She is the receiver and amplifier, the sacred space where that generated energy lands, gets nurtured, stabilized, protected, and multiplied into something sustainable, growing, and resilient. When the circuit is clean, aligned, and flowing freely without resistance, what you generate returns multiplied many times over. New opportunities appear effortlessly and unexpectedly. Money circulates with ease and grace. Abundance compounds naturally without constant leaks, and losses are minimized or avoided altogether. When there's resistance anywhere in the circuit, resentment, unspoken hurt, fear of loss, lack of trust, emotional disconnection, or chronic anxiety, the circuit shorts out immediately. Energy leaks as arguments that drain your focus and creativity, distractions that pull you off course, health issues that appear suddenly and without warning, or financial bad luck that feels strangely targeted and repetitive. Ancient wisdom calls this the law of the vessel. A cracked or pressured container cannot hold light without spilling it, no matter how much light you generate or how hard you work to produce it. Modern psychology and neuroscience confirm it powerfully. Chronic stress or insecurity in the primary partner raises cortisol levels in both of you, clouds judgment and decision-making, reduces creative problem-solving ability, increases reactive and fear-based choices, and literally attracts more stress, scarcity, and loss into your shared reality through subconscious patterns. The result? Your financial breakthroughs get sabotaged not only by external competitors or market forces, but by the unseen energetic friction at home that weakens your entire system from the inside. Harmony in the pair isn't a luxury, a nice-to-have, or something to fix later. It's the non-negotiable foundation of sustained, compounding wealth, protection against constant loss, and the ability to hold abundance without it slipping away. I knew a man who scaled his business from zero to consistent six figures in under 2 years through sheer grind, smart strategy, relentless execution, and constant learning from every setback. Revenue hit exciting peaks multiple times, but every single time he got ahead, something mysterious wiped out the gains. Sudden medical bills for the family that came out of nowhere, unexpected car repairs that cost thousands, clients delaying payments for months on end, or emergencies that ate the profit he had just earned. He blamed the economy, bad luck, unreliable clients, even competitors undercutting him at every turn. Then he started noticing the pattern more clearly and painfully. Each income spike was followed by increased tension at home, more questions about money, more emotional distance, more quiet resentment. His wife worried constantly about, what if it doesn't last? questioned his long hours and time away from family, felt neglected and insecure about the future they were supposedly building together. The fights weren't always directly about money. They were about feeling emotionally unsafe, unseen, undervalued, and uncertain in the relationship itself. After one particularly strong month, she broke down in tears one evening, saying she feared he'd become too successful and leave her behind, or change in ways she couldn't follow. 2 weeks later, a major client pulled out citing budget cuts that came out of nowhere, another delayed payment indefinitely, and income dropped by 60% almost immediately. He realized the truth he had ignored for too long. Her anxiety and feeling of instability were the silent leak draining his momentum and sabotaging his wins before they could take root. When he began the 30-day protocol we're about to cover, focusing first on making her feel emotionally secure, valued, seen, and included in the vision without pressure, the atmosphere shifted noticeably within weeks. No more daily fights over finances or time. Clients started paying early without reminders or excuses. A new, higher-value opportunity appeared out of nowhere through a warm referral from someone who just felt like reaching out. Revenue stabilized, then doubled in 4 months, and stayed consistent with far less volatility and far more ease than anything he had experienced before. This is a simple, powerful, step-by-step 30-day protocol designed to shift the energy in your home, remove the invisible blocks, and open the financial flow through harmony in your primary relationship. Days 1 to 7. Start with the daily honoring ritual. Every evening, no matter how tired or stressed you are from the day, look her in the eyes for a full 60 seconds and say something specific and genuine you appreciate about her. Not generic compliments, but real observations from your heart. I appreciate how you hold our home together while I'm out building this. Or, I love how you make everything feel warmer and more peaceful when I come back exhausted. Touch her hand, hug her, or simply sit close without any agenda, expectation, or rush. No fixing problems, no talking about money, no jumping to solutions. Just pure, undistracted presence and acknowledgement of who she is and what she brings to your life. Days 8 to 14. Shift to deep listening without interrupting or solving. When she speaks about her day, her worries, her feelings, even if they sound like complaints about money, your schedule, or the future, don't jump to solutions, explanations, or defensiveness. Just listen fully, hold space for her emotions, and reflect back simply, I hear you, and I value how you feel about this. This single act rebuilds trust faster than any words about finances or success ever could. Days 15-21. Introduce small, consistent acts of security and care. Leave a short note where she'll find it unexpectedly. We're building something beautiful together. I'm committed to us through it all. Bring flowers or her favorite small thing randomly, not as apology or for points, but as quiet proof of care and thoughtfulness. Plan one low-pressure date a week. No big expense, just time together without phones or distractions. Show her through actions that the future you're building includes her safety, her peace, and her place beside you as an equal partner. Days 22-30. End with the Friday night reset ritual. Light a candle together, hold hands, and speak softly. I choose you as my partner in this life, and in abundance. Thank you for being here with me. Share one part of your shared vision for the future, in a calm, positive way without pressure. End with physical closeness, a hug, a kiss, whatever feels natural and connecting. Do this consistently. No skipping days even when life gets busy or stressful. Most men notice first changes by day 10. Less tension in the air, more ease in conversations, her smiling more often, small moments of warmth returning. By day 30, money starts flowing differently. Delayed payments arrive unexpectedly. New clients appear. Income stabilizes and begins to climb steadily. Men who follow this protocol with sincerity, consistency, and genuine presence see 3 clear, repeatable shifts that build on each other over time. First, the home atmosphere becomes noticeably lighter and more peaceful. Conversations flow without hidden landmines. Intimacy returns naturally and without force. Small moments of connection and laughter replace the old friction and distance that used to fill the space. Second, your personal energy skyrockets in ways you can feel immediately and powerfully. Less guilt from work-life imbalance, more mental clarity during the day, sharper focus on high-value tasks, deeper and more restorative sleep, because the background tension is gone and your mind is no longer divided. Third, finances begin to respond in tangible, measurable ways. Money that used to leak through emergencies and surprises starts staying in the account longer. New opportunities land with less effort and more ease. Delayed payments come through faster than expected. Income stabilizes first and then grows steadily without the old volatility and drama. One man I know went from erratic 8K months with constant stress and worry to consistent 22K average after 30 days. Not because he changed his business overnight, but because the vessel at home finally held the energy he was generating without leaking it. Another closed a deal he'd lost hope on after weeks of silence. The client called out of the blue saying, "Something told me to move forward now." It's not magic or coincidence. It's alignment and harmony. When she feels safe, honored, and emotionally secure with you, the vessel becomes whole and strong. What you generate no longer spills through cracks. It multiplies, attracts more, and creates a compounding cycle of abundance that feels almost effortless compared to the grind before. Men often sabotage this protocol with old habits they don't even realize they're repeating unconsciously. Mistake 1. Treating it like a transaction or scorecard. I do this so money comes faster, or the leaks stop. She feels the ulterior motive immediately. Walls go up higher and trust erodes further. Solution. Do every act from genuine care, presence, and love, not from a place of, what's in it for me financially. Mistake 2. Skipping days when work gets intense, life feels chaotic, or you're tired. Consistency is what rebuilds trust and safety. Gaps reinforce old patterns of disconnection. Solution. Even 2 minutes of real presence counts more than a skipped day. Don't let perfectionism kill progress. Mistake 3. Talking too much about money, goals, or business during the process. It triggers her anxiety and makes her feel like an afterthought or tool. Solution. Focus exclusively on her feelings, her world, her sense of safety. Keep money conversations minimal until harmony returns naturally. Mistake 4. Expecting instant miracles or dramatic changes by day 5 or 10. Real shifts build quietly and compound over time like interest in a bank account. Solution. Track small daily wins, calmer evenings, her smiling more, your own peace increasing, and trust the process completely. By day 30, the compound effect hits hard, undeniable, and often life-changing. Your woman is not the problem. She's the living mirror of the energy you're bringing home every single day, reflecting back what you may not want to see but need to face. Change the energy you bring, the way you show up, the way you make her feel seen, safe, and valued, and the mirror changes with it naturally. This 30-day protocol isn't about manipulating her, fixing her, or turning her into something she's not. It's about becoming the man whose presence naturally creates safety, trust, and harmony, so the vessel becomes strong enough to hold abundance for both of you without leaking. Right now, in the comments, write these exact words. I choose harmony starting today. Type them slowly and intentionally. Say them aloud if you're alone. Feel the commitment land in your body. This is the moment you decide to stop the leak and start the flow. If you want the full downloadable protocol with daily scripts, tracking sheet, bonus rituals to accelerate the shift, and exact phrases for difficult conversations, click the link in the description right now and get the guide before the price rises again. If this message hit home for you, drop a like to help spread this truth to another man who's grinding hard but not growing, and subscribe so we can keep walking this path together week after week. Your abundance is waiting, but it needs a whole, secure vessel to land in fully and stay. Protect your home. Honor your woman. Watch the flow return stronger than ever. I'll see you in the next video. Shalom.